And now, here with an unlimited supply of misinformation.
It's time for Music News with your host, Darby. 94.9 Z-Rock.
Music News brought to you by Wright's Motorcycle Parts and Accessories, 3474 South State. Call them at 801-266-2050, online at wrightsmotorcycleparts.com, because you can't go wrong when it's Wrights. Rumors are swirling online that Rage Against the Machine is planning something big to celebrate their 20th anniversary. If it's online, it's probably true. So far, the group has announced just one date, which is the festival they're doing called LA Rising on July 30th at the LA Memorial Coliseum. They reunited in 2007, but they haven't done a full tour or recorded new material, just doing shows here and there. Their last record, Battle of Los Angeles, was fantastic. Really good. It's probably my favorite record from them, so they should get to it. Tom Morello has set August 30th as the release date for his third album as The Night Watchman, where he wears the tights and the cape and the mask and the boots, and he has like these weapons shaped like his logo. It's pretty awesome. The record's called Worldwide Rebel Songs. He told me the delayed release of the record is so he could take part in protests in Madison, Wisconsin earlier this year against the anti-union policies of Governor Scott Walker.
That record was planned and ready to go when the Madison thing erupted, and I just said, I've got to do something about this. I can't just sit on the sidelines. I want to lend whatever help I can as a musician and as an activist to help steel the spine of this growing labor movement.
He is the most well-spoken rock star of all time. I mean, there's guys that speak in limericks like Steven Tyler and David Lee Roth and all those guys, and sometimes it's kind of clever, but he's the most well-spoken rock star ever. Any other rock star, if he's in a room, he's probably the smartest rock star in the room. The guitarist released an EP called Uniontown on May 17th, all digital. All the profits from the sales of the EP benefit the America Votes Labor Unity Fund. That's a good time! Woo! Go to saveworkers.org. Worldwide Rebel Songs, a new song, features a full electric band, and the debut single called Save the Hammer for the Man, which is an awesome title, features Ben Harper, who is fantastic on guitars and vocals. Save the Hammer for the Man! That is Music News on 94.9 Z-Rock.
Darby. 94.9 Z-Rock.